Okay, went in, got a hat because it's hot out here. How dumb is that bee? Is it seriously stuck? No. I'm not a flower. Go away. That's where they all are. There's neighbor. Better throw that outside the fence so any dumb chickens don't try to eat it and choke on it. Because chickens are known for dying like that. This double layer? Didn't know they did double layer. And just waving at the neighbor. Anything under here? It's a big worm. Oh, that's not a worm. But this is a small worm. Ooh, that's a big one. That's also a stick. You know, why? Why do I think sticks are worms? There's a feather. This came from a silver-laced Wyandotte. I have to remember its name. Here's Chip. Chip is the smallest one. That little guy just pecked that Wyandotte. That one right there is a Wyandotte. That's Bargerock. That's a Bantam. Come here, little Bantam. He just went for the fence. Forgot they could do that. The Bantams. One of the Bantams I named Chip. The other one I named Dale. And there's one more I named Bantam. I named him Phantom the Bantam. I don't know what happened here. Oh, right, I accidentally forgot to turn off the water. And the water was on for maybe 6 hours. And then Dad walked around the side of the house, said, "Why is there water coming down from the backyard?" Then he followed the source and found out I accidentally forgot to turn off the hose. watching the birds chase bees. Some rusty metal. This whole house is... It shouldn't wobble like this. Just like silver-laced Wyandottes. Shouldn't be so fast and scared. And sometimes I find caterpillars around. So this time, wait a minute. I got my glove. Okay, wait. Let me just set the camera down right here. There we go. Got my glove. It's a little red because, well, while we were building this house, this fence right here, on the ends, like right here, it's very pointy and it cut me and I started bleeding. But that was a month ago, so it's fully healed now. Ooh, that's a lot of worms. Oh, there goes that one. Good-sized chicken feeding worm. Another good-sized chicken feeding worm. No, stay off my phone screen. No, just stay. You're another good-sized one. Come here. You can sit there. Okay, you got 3 decently sized worms. Now to see if they will eat. Just gonna use this big one right here. Just gonna throw it. Okay. They didn't eat it. There it is. They didn't even see it this time. Right. He left. He went underground. Underground. There's an anthole. Some termites on this log. enough sized. Neither are you. Okay, that's a little cockroach. So I'm gonna come over here. There's this dead worm and an ant hill. More ants. That was a little frog. No worms. No worms. Last one. Ooh, here's a big worm. This boy's been here a while. It's a huge breakdancing worm. I'm gonna go feed it to one of the insiders. Insider, catch. She sees it. It's a big worm, so eat it. You're okay, Speckles. These guys don't want to eat this dude. So, I'm gonna come over and stand on top of this rock and then throw it over there. And hope they see it. They didn't see it. Dang it. Now I have to find it. Oh, it's gone. I tried. How long is this video? All those are just gonna be on top of hay. No worms under that one. No worms under that one. No worms under that one. Come on, where's all the worms? I guess I used all the good ones. Maybe under some rocks. That one ran away. That one ran away. There's a grub. Come here, mate. Gonna see if the chickens will like you. There's half a worm dying. Ew. Ew, right there.